Monton Bearing is mainly engaged in the production of the angular contact ball bearing, precision cross roller bearing, thrust bearing stacks, and TC radial bearings, the section ball bearing, cylindrical roller bearing, spherical roller bearing, thrust roller ball bearings, and harmonic drives, and the customer-made non-standard bearings. Our products have been widely used for machine tools, weapon, mining, metallurgy, port machinery, medical treatment, cement, oil drilling, textile, industrial robots, paper-making machinery, concrete mixer truck, rolling mill, and the national defense industry field. Depending on the complete testing technology and advanced equipment, Monton can guarantee the quality and precision of the products. Our technical department can efficiently complete the design of quality bearing according to customers' demand. Customers requiring large bearings can also enjoy customized service, and also requirements from demanding customers for non-standard products can also be met here. Our quality system routinely monitors the various production facilities and compliance with the stringent quality demands. All the material certificates and the certification reports are kept on file and are made available on request, so we have confidence that we can give the best solution to our customers all over the world. Monton Bearing has its own factory. We can supply the high-quality products with reasonable price, and the bearing buyer can buy the high-quality bearings with the less cost who purchase from the bearing manufacturer directly. Of course, our quality bearings can help their machine to work more steadily and more efficiently. Monton's production capacity and large storehouse can ensure that our quality bearing can deliver to our customers within the shortest time. For the normal bearings, we can finish within 35 days, and the large quantity and more different size, our usual delivery date will be within 45-60 days. Upon specific situation, Monton's perfect service can earn customers' trust and make sure that customers have no risk to do business with us. Before place an order, we make sure the customer know the details about the quality, the price, the delivery, and also we will work strictly according to our agreement. After the customers received our quality bearings, we accepted to return back the bearing goods. If the customers was not pleased with the bearing quality, most of our export market is based on Germany, Italy, Spain, UK, Japan, and the USA. We are innovative and have the drive and courage to give the necessary solutions to our customers, and our management and staff are ready to provide the professional and individual service to our customers. We sincerely invite you to cooperate with us to make use of our substantial product know-how as well as our extensive bearing knowledge to supply the best bearing for you. As many companies have done before you, we trust that we can also become your most reliable bearing supplier in China. We are working together, and our common purpose is to make the success the moment you start doing anything at all with another person. You've established a team, begin a conversation, pick up the phone, brainstorm an idea, and you're in teamwork.